Welcome बच्चों. Today we will learn our next topic, Roman numerals. So let us start. Commonly we use a number system where we use the digits, 10 digits from 0 to 9. Okay, this is known as Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, Hindu-Arabic system. In addition to that, there are some other numeral systems. One of those is Roman numerals. Okay, this was developed by Romans. That's why it is called Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, we generally use 7 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 symbols for representing any number. Okay, I stands for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Okay, all capitals. Somewhere we in addition to M, sometimes we use K also. In your book R.D. Sharma it is given K. Okay, these are having the represented value. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Using only these 7 symbols, we write any numeral in the Roman numerals. Okay, इन्हीं सब सिंबल को यूज करके हम कोई भी रोमन न्यूमरल्स का नंबर फॉर्म करते हैं. ओके, किसी भी रोमन न्यूमरल्स को फॉर्म करने के लिए देयर आर सर्टेन रूल्स. Based on these rules, we form any Roman numerals. We write any Roman numerals. Okay. The first rule is, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value is added to the value of the greater symbol. जब भी हम कोई स्मॉलर वैल्यू का सिंबल, जैसे ये स्मॉलर है, इससे स्मॉलर है, 10 से स्मॉलर, अगर हम इसको राइट में लिखेंगे तो जो ग्रेटर वैल्यू का सिंबल है उसमें ये स्मॉलर वैल्यू ऐड हो जाएगी. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस सी आवर नंबर इज लुक स्टैंड्स फॉर 5. इसमें हम आई ऐड करते हैं तो व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल बिकम 5 प्लस स्मॉलर वैल्यू विल बी एडेड टू द ग्रेटर सिंबल. ओके, 5 plus 1, it will become 6. Okay, for example this is 10. Okay, if we use this symbol 2, it will become 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, like this. For example, this is 50. We will add 10 to it, it will become 50 plus 10, 60. This is first rule. Okay, if a smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of greater value, its value is added to the value of greater symbol. First rule. Okay, our next rule number 2 is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Okay, for example, if we have repeated it twice, it will become 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, if we repeated twice, it becomes 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, if it is repeated 3 times, it will become 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Okay, if C is 100, if we will repeat it C, it will become 300. Like this, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. This is rule number 2. Okay, the next rule is, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Okay, I can repeat number 3 times only. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, I cannot say, we cannot use it like this 4 times. This is wrong. Okay, we can use 3 times only. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Okay, 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. Okay, so we can use a symbol. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. We can repeat the symbol only 3 times. This is rule 4. Symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Okay, V stands for 5, L for 50, D for 500. These are never repeated. Okay, we cannot write like this 5 plus 5, 10. This is wrong. We cannot write like this 50 plus 50, 100. This is wrong. These symbols are never repeated. Next is rule number 5. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the ग्रेटर सिंबल. ओके, जब भी हम कोई स्मॉलर वैल्यू का सिंबल ग्रेटर वैल्यू के लेफ्ट में लिखते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू ग्रेटर वैल्यू में से स्मॉलर वैल्यू की वैल्यू स्मॉलर सिंबल की वैल्यू सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाती है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बिफोर 5 आई एम राइटिंग 1, तो इट विल बिकम 5 - 1 = 4. ओके, सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाती है, ग्रेटर में से स्मॉलर वैल्यू सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाती है. इफ आई विल राइट दिस इज 10 एंड इफ आई विल पुट reduce 1 from it, okay, it will become 10 - 1 = 9. okay, for example 100 में से हमने 10 reduce कर दिया, it will become 100 - 10 = 90. okay, greater value में से smaller value subtract हो जाती है, greater value में से smaller value subtract हो जाती है. okay, that is if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left, smaller value जब left में लिखते हैं तो वो वैल्यू रिड्यूस हो जाती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सिंबल आई कैन बी सब्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम v एंड x ओनली. ओके, वी कैन मेक 5 - 1 = 4. ओके, आई कैन बी सब्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम v एंड x ओनली. वी कैन मेक इट 10 - 1 = 9. ओके, वी कैनॉट मेक 50 - 1 = 49. ओके, दिस इज रॉन्ग. वी कैनॉट मेक 100 - 1 = 99. This is wrong. I can be subtracted from v and x only. Okay. Next is symbol x can be subtracted from L and C only. Okay. 10 can be reduced from 50 and 100 only. Okay. We can write XL. Okay. 50 - 10. It will be subtracted because smaller value is written to the left. लेफ्ट में लिखा हुआ है स्मॉलर वैल्यू, इसलिए ये रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. 50 - 10 = 40. ओके, 100 - 10 = 90. ओके, सो सिंबल एक्स कैन बी सब्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम एल एंड सी ओनली. ओके, 50 एंड 100 ओनली. वी कैनॉट रिड्यूस. हम उसको 500 में से 10 रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. वी कांट से इट विल बिकम 490. ओके, दिस इज रॉन्ग. सिंबल एक्स कैन बी सब्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम एल एंड सी ओनली. C can be subtracted from D and M only. Okay, D is 500, M is 1000. 100 we can reduce from D and M only. Okay, we can reduce 100. This is 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. Okay, from M also we can reduce C. Okay, it will become 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. Not from any other number. Okay, also remember V, L and D can never be subtracted. 5, 50 and 500 can never be subtracted. Okay. If a bar is placed over a numeral, it is multiplied by 1000. अगर 5 के ऊपर बार लगा देंगे it will become 5000. Okay. अगर 10 के ऊपर बार लगा दिया it will become 10,000. Okay. अगर मैंने 11 के ऊपर बार लगा दिया it will become 11,000. ओके, अगर 60 के ऊपर बार लगा दिया इट विल बिकम 60,000. ओके, तो अगर इफ ए बार इज प्लेस्ड ओवर ए न्यूमरल इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दीज रूल्स वी राइट एनी रोमन न्यूमरल्स. ओके, लेट अस सी थ्रू ए चार्ट. ओके, 1 इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय आई, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Somewhere it is K also. Okay. Now this is I for 1. If we want to make it, we want to write 2 times 1 plus 1 2, 3 times 1 plus 1 plus 3. We cannot write it 4 times because any symbol cannot be repeated more than 4 times, more than 3 times. So 4, 5 minus 1 4. This is 5. Okay, 5 plus 1 6. Okay, smaller value is written to the right of the greater value, its value added. So 5 plus 1 6. Like this 7, 8 and 9. Okay, then 10 is for X. Like this 10 plus 1 11, 10 2 12, 10 3 13. Like this we will go. Okay, then 20. Same way 21, 22, 23 up to 30. 30 30 X X X 30. Okay. We cannot use it more than 3 times. So after 39 it will become 40. 40 will be 50 minus 10 is 40. Then 50, then 60, 70, 80. Now we cannot repeat more than 3 times. So it will be reduced from 100. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Okay. Same, it will become 100, then it will become 2 times 200, 3 times 300. We cannot repeat more than 3 times, so 400 is 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. Smaller value is written on the left, so it will be subtracted. 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. Then 500, 600, 700, 800. Look, 100 is reduced from m, only 100 is reduced from m, so it will become 900. Then it will become 1000. Okay. Let us see how it will go more than 1000. M for 1000 or somewhere K for 1000. MCC 1000 plus 100 plus 100. It will become 1200. 1000 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. It will become 1300. Then same. We cannot use more than 3 times, so it will be reduced from 500. 500 minus 100 is equal to 400, and 1000 plus 400 it become 1400. Okay. Same way 1500, then 16, 17, 18, 19. Double M is 2000. Okay. Again after 2000, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can go like this only. Okay. Then 2200, 2300, like this will go. For 3000, 3 times M. Okay. This is 3000. Okay. We cannot repeat it more than 3 times, so it will become. Next is, we'll change it now. Now we have seen if a bar is placed, then our number is multiplied by 1000. Okay. Now 4 is there, we'll put a bar, then it will become 4000. We'll put a bar on 5, it will become 5000. On 6 we'll put a bar, it will become 6000. 7, 8. On 9 we will put a bar, it will become 9000. On 10 we'll put 10,000. Then 10, 10, 20, 20,000. Like this 50 plus 2, 70, so 70,000. On whatever number bar is there, that will only be multiplied by 1000. If 70,000 is written, if I will write, for example, this is 20. Okay. If I'll write, we need to write 20,100. Okay. What will happen? This is 20,000. Okay. So we'll put bar on these two only. 20,000. 100 we will not put any bar. Okay. Like this we write the numbers. Okay. टू वट एवर नंबर, किसी भी सिंबल के ऊपर जिसके ऊपर बार लगा हुआ है सिर्फ वही 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इसलिए 20,000 है. रेस्ट नंबर्स वी विल राइट सिंपली. ओके. लाइक दिस वी विल राइट एनी नंबर्स इन द रोमन न्यूमरल्स. ओके. कंप्लीट चार्ट, PDF chart from 1 to 1000 is given in the description. You can go and check there. Okay. Now let us see few examples. Okay. For example, we want to write a number 49. Okay. 49 will be 40 plus 9. Okay. What is 40? Your 50 is there. You will reduce 10 from it. This is 40 plus 9. 9 how you will make? 10 minus 1, 9. Okay. So this is 40, this is 9, this is 49. Like this we write a number. Okay. Few examples more. Okay. 72. How will write 72? 72 is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2. Okay. Now 50 is L. 10 plus 10, 60, 72. Okay. This is 72. Okay. Now 92. For example, we want to write 92. How we will write 92? This is 100. 100 minus 10 is 90. Okay. After that, 2. This is 92. Okay. Let us see how we will write 236. Okay. C is for 100. One more C is for 100. 200 plus 30. Okay. How many times? 3 times 10 we will put. Then 6. Okay. This is 236. Okay. Next is 614. For example, how will 500? This is D is for 500, C for 100. 500 plus 100, 600. Now 14. 610 and 14. Okay. 500, 600, 610, 614. Like this, you will write this number. Okay. Let us see some big numbers. 1015. Okay. 1000 is 1000 plus 10 plus 5. Okay. 1000 is M. For 10 it is X. For 5 it is M. This is 1015. Okay. Now let us see one more 3786, 3786. Okay, what it will become? 3000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 6. Now 3000. What will do? 3000? 3 times m. We can repeat 3 times. 3000. 700. Okay. D is for 500, then 600, then 700. Okay. 700, 3700, and then 86. Okay. The 3786. This is 80, then 6. 3786. Next, let us see 18,985. Okay. After 3000, we are putting bar only. Okay. So let 18,000. So we'll make 18. Okay. We'll put a bar. It will become 18,000. Now 900. Okay. 900 is 18,900. Okay. 900 is, we will reduce 100 from 1000. Okay. 980. Okay. 980. 50, 60, 70, 80. 5. Okay. 18,985. 18. 10 plus 8. 18,000 plus 900 plus 85. Okay. Now let us see conversion to numbers from Roman numerals. Okay. Let us see examples. Okay. Now 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 9. This is 29. Okay. Now second, let us see C, L, X, V. Now C for 100, L for 50, X for 10 plus 5. It will become 165. Now next is C, D, X, L. Okay, this is the Roman numeral. We will convert this. Okay, CD, D for 500 minus 100. This will become 400. Okay, plus, look, 50 minus 10, 40, plus 5 plus 1, 6. It will become 446. Okay, next is, let us see this, CMXXI. Okay, now look, this is 6, bar is there, so it will become 6000. Okay, now 1000 minus 100, 900. Okay, 1000 minus 100, then 10 plus 10 plus 1, 21. It will become 6921. Okay, like this we convert the numbers from Roman numerals to the numbers. More we will do in the exercise.